Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel, Aesthete Mindful Maven. Now, today, I'm super excited to share a powerful tool that can help you manifest your dreams vision boards. Now, I know you might be thinking, vision boards? Really? Trust me, this isn't about the pretty pictures, it's about tapping into the incredible power of your mind and attracting the life you truly desire. So, grab a cup of coffee, get cozy, and let's dive in. So, think of your vision board as a map to your dream life. It's a visual representation of your goals, your desires, your aspirations. By surrounding yourself with the images and words that inspire you, you're essentially programming your subconscious mind to believe in their possibility. So, it's like planting seeds of intention and then watching them grow into reality. It sounds magical, right? Well, it kind of is. Okay, so now let's get down to business. The first step is to get clear on what you truly want. What are your deepest desires? What makes your heart sing? Don't be shy, dream big. Whether it's a dream vacation, a loving relationship, a successful career, or simply more inner peace, write it all down. Next, find a time when you feel most inspired and relaxed. Maybe it's early morning with a cup of tea. Or perhaps it's a quiet evening after kids are asleep. Now create a sacred space for yourself where you can truly connect with your inner vision. And finally, approach this with an open heart and a playful spirit. Believe in the magic of this process. Let go of any doubts or limiting beliefs, whatever you have, because you have got this, believe me. Creating your vision board. This is the art of manifestation. Now, let's get creative. So gather magazines, newspapers, nature photos, artwork, anything that sparks joy and aligns with your dreams. Don't overthink it. Just let your intuition guide you. Next, close your eyes and visualize your goals which you have already manifested. How does it feel? What do you see or you hear or you smell? Really immerse yourself in that feeling. Now, start arranging. Start arranging your images and your words. Create collages, clusters, or whatever feels right. Let your creativity flow. As you are creating, speak positive affirmations out loud. Like when you are creating a board, if you want to be a traveler, say, I am a word traveler. Or you can say, I am attracting abundance. When you are trying to actually attract some abundance in your life. Or when you're thinking of building a dream life, say, I'm living my dream life. Now feel the energy of the intentions as you create. Now that we have created our board, it's time to activate your vision board and bring it to life. So once your vision board is complete, find a prominent spot to display it. Somewhere you'll see it every day, like your bedroom wall or your office desk or even your bathroom mirror can work wonders. So take a few minutes each day to meditate on your vision board. Visualize your goals as they are already achieved. Feel the joy, the excitement, the gratitude, and most importantly, take inspired action. So, your vision board is just a roadmap. It's not a magic wand. It's a tool. Okay, it's a tool to guide you, to motivate you, and to take consistent step towards your goal. So, bring it to life by just not thinking about it but also working for it. Support my point, my lord. I'm going to give you one example. So, let's say your dream is dream of traveling the world. So, your vision board might include images of breathtaking landscape, iconic landmarks, and adventurous activities. So, you might include words like freedom, exploration, and adventures. Now, decorate it with maps, travel brochures, or even a tiny airplane chart. Now, by consistently visualizing these images and affirming your travel dreams, you're sending powerful messages to the universe and attracting opportunities for adventure. But you have to remember that vision board manifestation is a journey of self discovery and belief. And it's about aligning your thoughts, your feelings, and actions with your desires. So be patient, be persistent, and most importantly, have fun with it. So, there you have it. Now go forward and create a vision board that ignites your soul and attracts all the good things in life. And remember, you have got this. So, until next time, keep manifesting magic. And finally, thanks for tuning in. I hope this episode has inspired you to create your own vision board and unlock the power of your dreams. If you enjoyed this episode, please be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And don't forget to share this with your friends and family. Until next time, keep dreaming big and keep manifesting magic. Aesthete Mindful Maven.